Hey guys, today we'll be checking out this really nice ceiling fan that I just received for viewing purposes. This is a outdoor ceiling fan. You don't need to wire it, you can just plug it in and it will be able to withstand any type of weather. I think that it's really nice because you can adjust the height of how long do you want it to hang. I'll be using the shorter down rod for this installation, but I think that it's a really nice unit. Although unit seems like a pretty simple installation and it has this really nice cozy design that I think that it can blend perfectly whatever you install. In this case, I'll be installing it right here. So let's go ahead and see how it looks and how it works. Come on. The proper installation process is really simple and doesn't take that much long, and I like a lot that you get to adjust the height of it with the two different down rod options. It's a really nice sized ceiling fan with a wingspan of 42 inches, and for this case it uses three light bulbs which are of the 812 base. This unit uses a set of 5 durable fan blades and I love the design. They have this wood grain design that can blend perfectly with the decoration, and it's a perfect fan blades because they are really durable and will allow us for a long lasting performance. It is also IP65 waterproof rated. It will be able to withstand any type of rain, snow, wind, and it won't get any type of damage by the sun, which I think that it's great. Its 6 speeds can satisfy all your requirements. It can be perfect for a cool wind, perfect for any social gathering, or any more move activity, which I think that it's really nice. It has a timer function that will allow us to program it for a set of hours so that it will turn off automatically and it doesn't make that much sound, which I think that it's perfect. Its industrial cage gives it a really vintage but modern design that I think that blends perfectly with all with the overall design of this ceiling fan, and it's perfect because it has a really intricate design with the deer. Overall, this ceiling fan can be perfect for your garden, in your gazebo, or in your patio, or wherever you want to install it. And just like that, it's installed. I think that it's really nice. You can set it up with 6 different wind speeds and you can even program it for up to 8 hours of continuous use. You can use it on both winter and on summertime because you can just select if you want it to go forward or reverse, making you and giving you a ton of options on how to use it and when to use it. And I think that it's really nice. It's quite powerful. And I like that you don't have to wire it or anything like that. You can just plug it in, get your extension cord and plug it in, and making it a really nice and simple installation process. It uses 3 each of light bulbs, and I think that it's really nice. These light bulbs can be bought in a range of different color temperatures. In this case are these called white ones, and I think that it looks really nice. It gives a really nice detail to the design of the ceiling fan. So overall, I think that this is a really nice ceiling fan and I would really recommend it. See you guys!